Welcome to this configuration tutorial for Element App's automotive use case. In this step-by-step guide, you will find how to configure our app Elements Overview. First, we're going to configure Elements Overview in a JSM portal. Elements Overview is configured at a project level by project administrators. In the Apps section, go to the Elements Overview admin. We can create our first overview. We choose where we want to display our overview. We need our overview only for the request type component failure. We could also sort by work type, for example. Also, we choose where the overview is displayed within the issue. Then, we configure which work item to retrieve in the overview. We are requesting the same work item because we want the requester to have more information about their own request. We select the project whitelist. And we can test our query with a work item. The query is valid. We can go to the next step. In the Content section, we select the custom fields we want to display in the overview. And we can preview with a work item to see the result. This panel will be available for the requester on the request page, providing valuable information. We don't need advanced options for this overview, so we can save it. Our overview is created and ready to use. Let's head now on the Company B instance. We go in the Elements Overview admin section from the Project Target instance. First, we configure our display conditions. We want the overview to be displayed in all work items in our project. And we want the overview on the Work Item Activity panel. Then, we configure the dynamic JQL. Here, we ask to retrieve all work items in the project Company B Engineering with the same label than our current work item. We test the query. For the work item VE25, there are 4 work items in the project with the label Battery. Next, we add the other fields we need in the overview. We preview our configuration to see if everything is good. And we can go on the final step of the configuration. In the advanced options, we can create custom actions that are prompt-based, powered by Rovo. After choosing the name, we need to enter a prompt that will indicate what we want to achieve with our custom action. Our prompt is done, we can test it on a work item. If satisfied with the results, we can save our configuration and enable our overview. Our overview is now created and ready to launch. Thanks for following this tutorials. Don't hesitate to check our other step-by-step guide on Elements Connect and Elements Copy and Sync.